Hello, Chicago! I'm Dr. Engel, a double board certified pain management physician at Chicago Sport & Spine. If you are living with diabetes and experiencing burning, tingling pain, numbness, and sharp pain in your feet and legs, you may have painful diabetic neuropathy. For many people, this pain can interfere with sleep, walking, and daily life, despite medications. One advanced treatment option we offer is spinal cord stimulation, and for the right patient, it can provide meaningful pain relief. Spinal cord stimulators are small implantable devices with thin wires that are placed near the spinal cord and a small battery about the size of a stopwatch placed under the skin. The device delivers gentle electrical signals that help block or modify the pain signals before they reach the brain. Instead of constant nerve pain, many patients experience significant improvement in both comfort and function. Today's spinal cord stimulators are highly advanced. Many systems are adjustable to your specific pain pattern. They can be controlled with a handheld remote or even on your smartphone. The therapy can be tailored to address the burning and shooting pain commonly seen with diabetic neuropathy. One great feature is that you have the opportunity to test drive the therapy for several days before deciding if it's right for you. For many patients, spinal cord stimulation can help reduce pain, improve sleep and mobility, and lessen the reliance on medications. If diabetic nerve pain is affecting your quality of life and medications haven't been enough, spinal cord stimulation may be an option worth exploring. Schedule a consultation with me at Chicago Sport & Spine by clicking on the link below, and let's discuss whether this treatment is right for you.